Hello friends, welcome to my channel Show Me One. Today we're going to show you how to make stir-fry noodle for about 50 people. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And without any further ado, now let's go and check and see how it is done. Today we're going to show you how to make stir-fry noodle for 50 people. And the noodle is already mixed with soy sauce. So we are stir frying the noodle in a batch, and then I have a bigger wok over here where I'm gonna put the fried noodle once it's done. As you can see, the noodles are being stir fried. And here is we have all the noodle. They're already pre-mixed with soy sauce. It's easier if you already pre-mix with soy sauce, ginger and garlic. Then you can just take it and fry it. Our noodles is done. Now we are going to cook our chicken. Stir-fry chicken here for the stir-fry noodle. Can you see the oak, guys? 180,000 BTU. I have a video. I'll post the link on the bottom to how to install the wok. It's super easy. You can do it at home. You know, that way you can eat restaurant-style food at home. It tastes just like restaurant. Smells like restaurant, tastes like restaurant. Super easy. So our chicken here is marinated with ginger garlic paste and soy sauce and some salt. Cooking here for a party of 50 people. Alright, our chicken is ready. Now we're going to add carrots. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. Now we're going to add onion, mushrooms, broccoli, and bell pepper. We make stir-fry food at home, people, not steam. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and like, share the video. We make tons of videos on our YouTube channel. Please like the video. We're gonna add some more ginger garlic paste over here for some extra taste. As you can see, it already looks really good. Look at all that smoke coming out. Oh my goodness. Amazing cooking going on over here. I don't know about you guys, I'm already hungry. Over here we have a mix of sriracha, soy sauce, and chili garlic sauce.
Okay. And some sugar.
And some sugar. This is how it's made in the restaurants, guys. Secret recipes over here. Please give it a like. It's midnight and we're cooking for you over here. Look at it. Amazing. Wow. Look at the color. Amazing. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the flame. Oh my God. 130,000 BTU. Please check out my channel to see how I installed this wok. I did it all by myself. It's super easy. And this way you can have restaurant style food at home too. Look at the flame, guys. Look at the smoke. When you cook in high flame, you stir fry your vegetables, the color of the vegetable stays the same because you're not steaming the vegetable, you're stir frying it. It tastes better, it looks better, you can impress your guests. Everyone's gonna love the way you cook and everyone's gonna wonder where you learned how to make all this food. This is insane. Okay guys, now we're gonna take this vegetable and we're gonna put it here. As you can see, we have everything transferred to our bigger wok. Now we're gonna add the rest of the sauce so we can mix it properly in a bigger wok. Like I said, we were cooking for about 50 people here. So to get everything mixed up properly, we need a bigger wok. As you can see, it's looking good. Stir fry. Restaurant style cooking at home, guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps us out. We're a small YouTube channel, working hard to make it up there. You know. Now we're gonna add green onions to our stir fry. This green onion, by the way, is fresh and organic. I have a tree in my backyard. So it's fresh green onions that you see that's going in the stir fry.